Club. Alright, back again at the Running Bear Central. Today we're going to demonstrate some Mothers California Instant Detailer with a, what do you call this? Clay bar, sorry. Clay bar. And so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean the car. In the future, I'd like to test other clay bars because this one I don't have much luck with, but it is working on this application. For some reason, here, come closer. For some reason, we have some overspray. You can see it better here. All these little white speckles. Can you see them? I don't know what they're from. I don't know what they are, but they're probably something from me. We do a lot of stuff, so they could be a lot of things. But it is all over the car. Today, we're going to talk about things to not do. I don't know many things not to do, but things of how it works best for me. And the biggest thing you want to do is keeping it very wet with your wax. And if you don't, this will dry up on the panel. This will smear on the panel. It'll come apart. There it is. See? You don't want that. That's hard to get off with a rag. So you want to keep this very wet. And if you keep it wet, just keep it. There it is. Look at it. It's already working. I don't know what it is, but you can tell it's already working. And it takes a little bit of power and love on it, but it does, because the only other option of this is buffing the car. Well, you're not going to buff this. You're not going to buff this black seal here, and you could, but you're not going to want to. It's going to be more mess to clean up all the white compound. So, but this clay bar, keep it wet, and you can take off the overspray on this. Same with these appliques, these plastic appliques. Yeah, you could buff them, but you're gonna have white stuff all over up in here. Clay bar it. Probably a good thing to do is, we're just doing a little demonstration. So, but you don't want to do this in the sun. You want to do this in a building, out of the sun, out of the weather. You want to get it off quick. You don't want it sitting in there. But you can see very well it is coming right off. Remember, keep it really wet. And this window. Yeah, you could buff the window with that. So once again, that's a big mess. It takes a lot of time to clean up compound. You're not going to burn any panel with this. You know, if you're buffing the car, you risk, you don't have a lot of experience, you're going to risk burning the car. But with this Mother's clay bar, this works pretty good. I'll throw a link in the bottom. And I'd like to test other ones because I've never really had much luck with them. I mean, it depends on what's on the car for overspray, I guess, but you can definitely tell that with a little love, whatever this is, I wish I knew what it was coming off. And it is coming off. So see, oops. And you want to keep this thing balled up. I think it works better balled up. That way it's not coming apart either. And you can come back through. See, I just picked up that mess. Wherever that stuff was over here, you can come back through and pick it up when it's wet enough. And I would recommend, I'll throw a link on here as well, but instead of buying the whole kit for $20, you can get clay bars separately, and that, or get the starter kit, and then you can buy a gallon of just the Mother's Detailer and keep reusing the spray bottle. But we'll get this top done, we'll get this molding done. It's about time for a fill up. You go through quite a bit of this. Keep it balled up. You don't want all these pieces loose. As you use it, it'll thin out. I guess I should have put a little more in the... But as you can see, it's coming off. See, you want to do this inside. We're going to get this off right away, so it's not going to affect anything. But you can see, I just want to make a quick video. I haven't made a video in a couple days for everyone. If you got any trash or overspray, mainly overspray on your paint job, window, car in general, boat, there she be. And thank you guys. I don't know if you can see my reflection in the car, but thank you guys. You guys are great to me. I'll put the links in the bottom. Here it is again. I like this stuff just for detailing in general, not even for a clay bar, but I really like this for like a final spray on wax. This works great. I love this. This helps take out swirl marks. It smells good too. I love the smell. So I'll put links in the bottom. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate it. You guys are great to me. Running Bear Central.